Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. All right, it is that time of the month again. It is time for my Stitch Fix unboxing. Or I really shouldn't say unboxing because it's already unboxed. I've tried everything on and I already have my opinions about everything. But it's time for my Stitch Fix video. So this is the first one for 2019. Now, if you watched my one for December 2018, I commented about how I was gonna cut back on buying all of the items. I was gonna stick to it and make sure that I only allowed myself 2 items. I have a really good stylist who just sends me way too many cute things. Amber D, you get me, but my bank account doesn't get us. I got really cute things this month. There is one that I'm kind of iffy on, but it would be cheaper for me to buy all 5 than to buy the 4 that I really like and not get that one. So damn it. I'll probably learn to like it. I mean, it's cute on, it's just, I don't know how I feel about the fabric, but it is cute. But anyway, that's beside the point. We'll get to that item when we get to it. So for this month, Amber D sent me a dress, a pair of jeans, a top, like just a regular basic top, a hoodie, and a sleeveless top. And the sleeveless top is the one that I'm kind of like on. I'm trying to remember. I always forget what I ask her each month. Like there are some months where I don't ask for much, and then there are some where I'm like, oh yeah, I specifically want this. I don't remember. I need to take a screenshot and remember. All the items were super cute, and I'm probably gonna buy all 5. Like always. So my referral link will be in the description box below. If you sign up and order your first box, that will really help me out to continue these videos. Yeah, help. But let's just go ahead and get started. So the first item I am going to show you is the dress. This is by 41 Hawthorn, and it is the Pilar lace trim dress, correct? Yes. And it is a size, I think it's a size small. Yes, it is a size small, and it's in the color dark purple. This dress is by far one of the most comfortable dresses I have ever tried on. Usually like really fanciest dresses, I don't know, to me they just aren't comfortable, and so I never like want to wear them. This one, first of all, the lace trimming kind of won me, but this color is gorgeous. Blowing me out a little bit, that's all right. Lace trim at the bottom, lace at the top, and on the back. It does have like a little keyhole cut out in the front right here. It's got a button, that kind of button, you know, where it's the elastic ring around the back. So it does have, when it's fastened like this, it does have a little opening in the back. It is stretchy. It is super, super soft. I absolutely love how this looks. This is great for any, you know, event that you would need to dress up for. Or it could just be a really nice date night dress. So this dress is $74. I mean, for a good dress, that's not bad. Flows really well. I mean, it's very, very loose and flowy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I'm a sucker for lace trim. I think Amber D knows that. Playing on my weaknesses, I see. Next up are the jeans by Cosmic Blue Love. Can't say I've ever heard of that company or seen that come across any of my Stitch Fixes, but they are the Adrianne Distressed Boyfriend jeans. And the color says Stockholm. I guess that's what this light blue is. And it is in size 4. I really like these. Usually I don't like the boyfriend jeans because they have that looser feel, but when I wore these, they didn't feel loose. I do remember asking for some more distressed jeans. I love the distressed look to them. I didn't used to. I was like, why would anyone buy jeans just to have holes ripped in them? Then I got a pair and I was like, oh, they're cute. I like that. So yeah, they're just some jeans with holes in them. I do like the kind of pattern there. I don't have any jeans that are this color. Like usually my jeans are a darker wash, or they don't have that kind of distressing. I was sent distressed jeans like 2 summers ago, and they're too big now, but they were like my favorites. I absolutely loved them, but they are too big now, so I can't wear them anymore without them falling off my butt. My non-existent one. So these are $88. Well, expensive for some jeans as someone who frequents Target and buys their jeans. These are a little expensive, but I love jeans. I am a sucker for jeans. I am the type of person who sits around in their house in jeans. You know, there are people like, you can't trust anyone that doesn't just immediately switch into sweatpants when they come home from work. No, I switch into jeans. I just prefer how they feel. I don't know. I'm weird, I know. But I do really like these. I am definitely keeping them because they looked good on me, not gonna lie. Next up is the top that I'm kind of debating on whether I like it or not. I mean, it looks good on me. It's just, once again, it's velvet, and I don't know how I feel about velvet. So This is by 41 Hawthorn, which if you've been watching my Stitch Fix videos for a while, you know I am quite partial to 41 Hawthorn and love them. It is the Czar Paisley Burnout printed velvet knit halter top. Can you all come up with different names? Simple, sleeveless top. It is a gorgeous red. What is the official? Burgundy. They're calling it burgundy on the order sheet. And it's got really pretty pattern to it. It's just, I don't know how I feel about velvet. I love to touch velvet, I just don't know how I feel about it on me. But I do think it looks good on me. Like, can you wear velvet into the summer? Probably not. I feel like I'd get really overheated in that. Because it looked like it would have been a cute, like, concert going top. Everything's a concert going item to me, so. But I do really like it. This is an extra small, which always makes me feel better about myself. And it is $54, so for a sleeveless top, I'll probably mark that it's way more expensive than I would normally want. But again, I'm in love with 4 of the 5 items. This is the meh item, but it would be cheaper for me to get all 5 instead of just the 4 that I really love. Like, this could be something that I could grow to love, maybe, possibly, if I wore it enough. I don't know. Yeah, just the back. It's that kind of a neckline. It does dip a little bit in the front, V-neck. I like it and kind of at the same time for it, so. It's like $54. Like, do I really want to throw that at this? But again, it would be cheaper to buy all 5 than just the 4 that I'm madly in love with. Next up is just the regular old top. I love this top. It's super basic, it's super simple, but I'm in love with it. First of all, it's soft as crap. That's beside the point. So this top is by Emory Park. Can't say, do I have anything by them? I don't remember. This is Fix 22, by the way, so if I don't remember brands, it's understandable. But it is by Emory Park, and it is the Dulce 3/4 sleeve cross front knit top. Y'all really gotta come up with some different names for your items, like, seriously. They're too long. It is in the color dark green. Camera's not really doing it justice. This is a size small. This is the cheapest one out of the box. It is $38. I love how simple this is. Like, I could easily wear this to work, but it also has just like the fun little cross right there. Love this top, and it is so soft. I'm a sucker for lace and soft and like crochet detailing. Not much else to say about it. It's super basic. Like, can't get much more basic than that, but it does have the little fun cross top. And the last item is the hoodie, which I don't think I've ever gotten a hoodie before, but I really like it. This hoodie is by Harper Lane. That brand sounds familiar, so I think I've got stuff by them. And it is the Antara crochet sleeve hooded pullover. See, crochet. Like, Amba D knows me to a science. Like, stop playing on my emotions when it comes to fashion, Amba. It is black, so my happy color. The sleeves are crocheted. You can kind of see the holes in there, but it's really cool because my emo self really enjoyed the thumb holes in the sleeve. Does anyone remember, like, 2005? That was the big thing, the thumb holes. Like, people would make them in their hoodies. Now they just come that way. But yeah, so crocheted sleeves, pretty simple in the front, but then you turn it around and it's got some holes to either show off your back, or you could wear, I mean, you can't really see it on the camera, but in the video over here of me wearing it, you'll see that there are holes right here that go up the entire length of the spine. So you could either be barebacked, bra would show, or you could wear a bralette with this, I think would be fine. Or you could wear a tank top underneath, or like a camisole. But this is an extra small, so they must run big. Yeah, I could see that. And it's $68, so really and truly hoodies are becoming that expensive. So for a fashion hoodie, that doesn't seem astronomical to me. I really like this. Mostly because it's black and that's my happy color. Anywho, like I was saying, for all 5 items, it is $322. But if you buy all 5, you get that 25% off discount, which takes $80.50 off, bringing it down to $241.50. Now, if I only bought the 4 items that I'm like madly in love with, let's see, it would bring it to $268. So if I just got the 4 items that I love, it'd be $268. Whereas if I buy all 5 items, it's $241. I mean, that's a pretty good amount that I'd save, and I really love those other 4 items. So I do think I'm gonna end up buying all 5, even though I said I wasn't gonna do that. My stylist is just too darn good. Like, Amba D, stop being good at your job. Actually, don't. I really love you. Please don't stop being good at your job. But yeah, so that is my January 2019, starting the year off right, Stitch Fix. Let me know in the comments below what item you liked the most. You can go ahead and tell me what item you liked the least. We're gonna I'm not gonna hold y'all back in 2019. Let me know if there was an item that you were kind of on. I mean, I'm on that sleeveless top, but I'll work it. I can make it work. Just Amity, don't send me any more tapestry looking things because it kind of does look like a tapestry. But I can make it work because it's red and I really like the color red. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if there are any items that I got that you like or you're kind of meh on. You don't have to say it looked like crap on me, just say it was meh. But that is it for this Stitch Fix. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload it, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.